Well, we welcome now Hiro Mori, General Manager at Israel Development Office at Toshiba Europe, who focuses on initiating open innovation with Israeli companies.
Thank you for introduction. Let me share my screen. Do you see my screen now?
Yes.
Okay. So first of all, it's my pleasure to be here. I'm Hiro Mori, General Manager of Israel Developing Office in Toshiba Europe. Today, I'm gonna talk about Toshiba activity for retail. So let me start with company introduction. Toshiba Group is a Japanese industrial conglomerate. Our headquarters is based in Tokyo, Japan. Net scale is about 30 billion US dollar. So over 125,000 people are working for Toshiba Group across the world. This slide shows the current our business portfolio. As you can see, Toshiba Group has various types of the industrial businesses, such as energy generation, critical infrastructure system, semiconductor and storage, and digital solution. We are aggressively developing innovative technology toward circular economy and society as a sustainable developing goal. On top of that, we have retail business as well. Toshiba Group consists of the many subsidiaries. Toshiba Tech is the company name which is managing the retail business in Toshiba. We know we cannot build everything by Toshiba technology. Partnership and collaboration with external partner is essential for us to expand the business and shorten the time to market. That's the reason we opened the office in Tel Aviv. Toshiba established the innovation office in Tel Aviv in 2019 February in order to technology scouting. Israel has a very unique technological ecosystem with more than 350 multinational corporations operating here. I'm trying to identify cutting-edge technology and excellent company that can be good fit for collaboration with Toshiba Tech and other Toshiba portfolio. Usually, starting point is a local meeting or a web call with startup. Through the conversation, I can get better understanding about the startup technology and the value proposition. Based on that, I will connect appropriate engineer or the salesperson in Toshiba Tech in Japan. So I'm a kind of bridge person between Japan and Israel. This slide shows a corporate profile about the Toshiba Tech Corporation. The headquarters is again Tokyo, Japan. They have the 70 years history in retail domain. So net scale is about 4 billion US dollar. Toshiba Tech has 3 business units. First one is retail. Their main product is a point of sales, as known as POS. Other two divisions managing the printing solution and the auto ID businesses, but I don't think these two units are so much relevant to today's attendee. So I'm gonna talk about retail business from now on. So these slides show the current our major product and the solution in the retail. Our POS lineup widely cover the various type of the retail shop, from the specialty retailers, CVS, shopping center, and food services like a restaurant. We provide not only the POS devices, but also the cloud solution to manage the retail operation. Demand optimization, dynamic pricing, food waste and loss prevention, serving robot in restaurants, etc., etc. There are a lot of the many use cases which state-of-art technology can be applied. These two pie charts show the global market share in the POS and the self-checkout. Left side, the vendor share of the global POS shipment. Toshiba takes second place with 12%. Right side, vendor share of the global self-checkout shipment. Toshiba also takes second place with 17%. It indicates that we have many key accounts in the retail domain across the world. Let's imagine the business opportunity with Toshiba Tech. Joint collaboration with Toshiba Tech can be shortcut to deliver your idea and the solution to the customer across the world. This slide shows the POS market share in Japan. Toshiba Tech takes the biggest share in Japan for 18 straight years. Recently, we dominate 60% of the market share. We have very, very strong position, particularly in Japan. Toshiba Tech is aiming to a solution provider for mass retailer. We continue to improve the shopping experiences by delivering suitable POS devices, such as N-type cash register, conventional shape POS terminal, smartphone POS, card POS, self-checkout system, etc., etc. Our mission is to add more value beyond the current POS system. For example, frictionless payment, indoor navigation, food loss and waste prevention, smart supply chain, inventory management, last mile delivery, and so on, so on. One of our unique activity is a digital receipt. Toshiba Tech has started digital receipt services in Japan. It's called Smart Receipt. Smart Receipt is a smartphone application which enables consumer to manage and unify payment history without handling paper receipt. More importantly, Smart Receipt is also enable us to widely gather the data from our POS system across the multiple restaurant, multiple retailer. It's kind of Toshiba POS ecosystem. Based on this data, Toshiba Tech is providing the value-added services to the supplier and the consumer by utilizing the data which is gathered through the Smart Receipt application. The promotion advertisement, personal recommendation, demand prediction are good example of these data services. We are looking for the innovative partner to jointly promote this concept and enhance customer experiences. Toshiba Tech has a CVC function. We have invested several startups in order to tighten relationship. So far, the startup which we invested is a mainly early startup, like a stage A to stage B. But seed round startup is also welcome. We are always open to discuss with potential partner in order to create strategical relationship. Let's change the retail world together. These are 6 such areas which Toshiba Tech want to explore with partner: retail tech, logistics tech, fintech, HR tech, vertical stores, and AI and data. In order to solve a customer issue, there are several technologies are needed, such as integration between EC and brick and mortar, operational efficiency and productivity improvement, variety of checkout and payment methods, food loss and waste prevention. These are key use cases to differentiate. So far, we invested to several startups in Japan. However, we are aiming to expand the target area rather than Japan, especially Israel. Let me summarize with the reason why we are offering the strategic partnership to retail startup. Toshiba Tech has a big market share in POS and self-checkout market already. There is a big potential to expand your idea and the solution quickly by working together with us. Secondly, we have CVC function and the incubation program. A disruptive idea is more than welcome for us. And last but not least, there is an innovation office in Israel. I'll be happy to work together with you. So please feel free to contact me via email or LinkedIn. My mission is to initiate collaboration with Toshiba and you. Thank you.